Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to crochet popcorn flower. And I am going to start magic ring. Make one chain, 8 single crochet into the magic ring. At the end, I am going to pull the yarn tail one last time to close and leaving a little hole. In the round, I am going to make a slip stitch into this first stitch. Now I am going to start second round, and we start 3 chain, 3 double crochet in same stitch. Now I am going to make a popcorn stitch. Take out hook and insert into the top of 3 chain. Take this last loop and pull it out. Here's the first popcorn stitch. And 2 chain. Next stitch, make a 4 double crochet. And make a popcorn stitch. Continue next 6 stitch, 2 chain and 4 double crochet, and the end 8 popcorn stitches. In the round, 2 chain and make a slip stitch here into the first top of the chain. Make a 2 slip stitch into this next chain space. And I am going to make next round. Make 3 chain and 3 double crochet into the same chain space and make popcorn stitch. There's the first popcorn stitch. Then make 2 chain and 4 double crochet into the same chain space and make a popcorn stitch. There's the 2 popcorn stitch in 1 chain space. And make 2 chain. Next chain space make 4 double crochet and first popcorn stitch, make 2 chain, 4 double crochet and second popcorn stitch. Continue this pattern, 2 popcorn stitch and 2 chain in every chain space and end of the round 16 popcorn stitch. End the round 2 chain and make a slip stitch into this first chain. Cut the yarn and finish the flower. If you want to watch more video like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.